Here we are at this building at Philadelphia Street at South 9th Street. It has like a radio station and some other tenants in here. And it looks like we have a 70s Otis Hydro. Let's check it out. So it's like a sign-in or something. Dropper sounds like it's replaced. I guess an Eastern probably maintained and did that. Up to 3. Here you go. No indicator. Rattly. Not sure if there's anything up here. Go back down to 1. It's bolted shut. It's a basic white cabin, has like the sun underneath. Cabin's a little dated. It's not horrible though. Pretty low budget install. There's no indicator, not a lot of features. Like 1. IP. I'm not even sure there's anyone in there. I hope this is not something weird.